So hello guys, how are you? I'm back with a new video and with full energy. This time we are not going to learn about any kind of Photoshop video or Adobe Illustrator because this is going to something else. There is no doubt today we are gonna work on a graphic design. Today we are gonna make a poster for YouTube, as you already saw it in my YouTube thumbnail video. But this time we are going to use a little bit tricks to do that. So before watching this video you have to do one thing.
So please
Share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel with your friends and family. So now let's start the video. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. The thing I am talking about to design any kind of posters like YouTube or any other social media poster, that is a website. That is Adobe Express. In that website you may find number of templates which you can use for your design, and even it is such an advanced website in which you can find a lot of AI features. To design your poster you have to do one thing, that is sign up. First click on sign up. As I already have an account of Adobe Express, so I'm just going to sign in my account. But if you have no Adobe account, then you can do one thing. You can create a free account on Adobe Express or on Adobe website. You'll get 1 month free trial, and in that 1 month you can use all features of Adobe Express and other softwares too. But no worries, if you don't want to purchase this website or if you don't want a paid membership of that website, then don't worry, you can still use a lot of free features of Adobe Express. So I'm going to sign in with my Adobe ID. After login, you will find this kind of interface in which you will find a lot of already well-maintained, well-designed pre-templates which you can use for your design, which you can manipulate. This is completely easy to create on templates or to create on posters on this Adobe Express website. To do that, just click on custom size and create your own size of poster. For now, as I already told you, I'm going to create a poster for my YouTube video, so I'll fill the width of YouTube video, that is 1920 into 180. You can also make a poster for YouTube with the ratio of 1200 into 780 or 700, I think. Yeah, it's a 700. Then click on next. We designed our custom template. Then here is our YouTube template, which is completely empty for now, and we are gonna design on this with just few clicks. So first of all, you may use number of features given by Adobe's. For example, pre-templates, text, photos, shapes, everything is available there. But if you want to create your own poster, then you have to do one thing. I don't think I need to tell you, the first and the most important thing is background photo, or I can say shape of the poster which we are going to use. So for now I just want to use one photo for that poster, so that I'll click on photos, and there you will find a number of photos which you can use your products, and you can use custom photos. For using the custom photos, just click on upload photo and it will drive through your desktop or your file explorer. Then simply select the photo which you wanna use on your poster, then simply click upload and it will upload that photo. First, let me make an exact size of that poster according to my YouTube posters. So for that, I'll simply click on photo and press the corners of photo and then simply drag at the end canvas. So simply I resize that poster, I resize that photo and align that photo according to my requirements. Now there is one difficulty for us, that is that empty space. We can't use any another kind of photo there because it would destroy our design. So that's why we can do one thing. We can stretch this photo, or we can remove the background of this one, then we can use other background for our YouTube poster. Make a copy of that one to preserve this layer. To make a copy, just click Command plus D, Control plus D, or simply click on this little icon there. It will make a copy. Now resize it at exact location. Then we need to do only one thing, choose the upper layer. You will find all the layers are there. There are 3 layers, 1, 2, 3, and on upper layer, or you can say on the top layer, remove the background of top layer. Simply click remove background. Now it will detect the edges again and remove the background with its AI. Our background is removed, but you will find nothing here. The reason behind that is there are 2 layers. One of them is, this one is original layer, and this one is removed background removable layer. So for now, just select second layer, which is the original layer, and change that blending mode from normal to multiply. You'll find nothing here. For that, we have to select our background. Let's search again photos, and now this time try, let me check. Yep, this one. That photo is downloaded or imported on our canvas. Now select the photo and click on add to background. Now there is one thing, you may find there is a light on there and the sun is at background. So for such situations, we can reverse or we can horizontally transform this photo. For that, click on this flip horizontal and it will flip the photo, and if you wanna resize it, then it is also possible. Now one thing there, you can find again error which can be found. Check the difference between this left side area and the right side area. To overcome this situation, just make another copy of this, our main object original layers. Select the second layer, which is a original one, and where we use a blending mode that is multiply. Then simply duplicate it by clicking on this icon, and it will duplicate that picture one more time. Now here is a trick. Flip this time. Now take a look at that. It is looking real. Our background is removed, our background is changed, and you can find still there is a lot of detail in the hairs. You may find, let me zoom it for you, 200% let's say, and you can check. Every detail can be noticed easily. Our background is ready, our main subject is ready. For making YouTube posters, we need to write something so that it can be clarified to the users what this video is about. So for that, just click on text. There you will find a lot of fonts to use. For that, let's say select any one, add your text, click on this one, and it will show a option to write what you wanna write. And you may use any feature from that, but right now just watch this right side of that poster. You may click on shapes to give this a color, and you may change the text color. Text color can be, let's say, blue one. Then simply change the font. You may find all Adobe fonts or Google fonts there. Yeah, this one look more softer, so right now I like to prefer this font because it gives me a more softness as compared to other fonts. You may change shape and you can change the different shapes there. Mask text, this is, it will mask the text and make it more realistic. It will combine the text with the background, so this is what about mask. If you wanna make outline, then you can check on this one, and for shadows everything is available there, but I don't want to shadow. There are some more recommendations if you want to use them. Now let's make some more text facts about. Now let's decrease the font size 14. For this I don't want any kind of text, mask text or any kind of shape. I simply want this text to be represent there. So here it is, number of layers can be added to this, and this can be directly shared on your social media from this website. Either you can download it for your future, or if you want to upload it manually, so you simply click on download. You may find PNG, JPG, PDF. Again, depends on your requirements. You want a PNG, JPG or PDF file, then simply click on start download and it can be downloaded. So this is just a basic of that tutorial. I'll let you know every feature of that website one by one, and you'll find it is a super easy website, and you don't need any kind of software to use to make a designs like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. You just need to visit online website, and these posters can be made anywhere. So this is about today's tutorial. I hope you learned a lot of things, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.